my friends. Today we'll be doing a 2-minute meditation for kids. Just a short little meditation. Are you ready? Okay. Now, there are 3 things to remember for meditation. Number 1, sit down. Are you sitting down, my friends? Great. Now, number 2, close your eyes. For this exercise, you have to keep your eyes closed. Don't look at me, my little friends. All right? Are your eyes closed? Great. Now, number 3, pay attention to the breath. That's all. Pay attention to the feeling of the breath. All right? Now, I'm going to start the timer for 2 minutes, and when you hear the sound of the gong, that means that your meditation is finished. Are you ready? Excellent. Let's begin. Now, pay close attention to the spot right below the nose. Pay attention to the spot right below the nose. Right below the nostrils. That little spot where you can feel the air as it moves into your nose. All right? Now, pay attention to the feeling of the breath, my friends. The breath moves in, and the breath moves out. Can you feel the breath? This is your meditation, my friends. This is the object of your meditation. Feel the breath, my friends. We call this mindfulness of breath. And it's an excellent meditation. All right, class, that's the end of your meditation. Excellent work, my friends. Goodbye now.